Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Michelle D. Barba from Simoray, Kawayan City, Isabela, 32 years old. I have 3 children, ages 9 years old, 8 years old, and 6 years old. I am the second of the family. I have 2 children, and I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Education, major in elementary education.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work in government school. I teach grade 1, grade 4, and sometimes I teach also baker. And my responsibility is to teach them basic education, just like introducing numbers, shapes, colors, and writing and reading skills. And my second experience is worker in a pediatrician. I serve 1 couple and 2 grandchildren, ages 13 years old and 10 years old. My main duty is to tutor his and her grandchildren. And the third one is I work in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, as a domestic helper. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, ages 2 years old and 7 years old. My duties are cleaning, washing, cooking, and sometimes I am working with car washing. And my main duty is to tutor also his and her children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, first I will get her or his temperature, and then I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy person. I am a hardworking, and I am a jolly person.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I don't have
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
nothing.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for financial purposes and for the study of my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I am homesick, I will just focus in working and tell myself that I came here to work for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after my work, and I will wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will control my temper by calming myself and be patient with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The title of this song is Little Fingers. Little fingers play with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little fingers play with me, we are all alive. 1 goes up, 2 goes down, 3 goes up, and 4 goes down. What shall we do with little 5? Little 5 will take a dive.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. I wish you will hire me, because if you will hire me, I will do all my best to serve your family, and I will work hard for you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.